As I already mentioned, the box itself has a bunch of shadows on it. Now, to understand shadows, you have to understand light source. Light source, in my case here, I'm getting light source from multiple directions. So if you look at the shadows that my hand creates, there's actually multiple shadows that are created in different values. The closer my hand is to the paper, the darker it becomes. And as it kind of like the light pulls out, it starts to get lighter and lighter. Now, some shadows tend to be a very harsh line, and some of them have like a softness that start to fade off. So you gotta be kind of cognizant of what you're looking at and how you're developing it. I usually live by the rule that almost everything has at least 3 shadows. I have a dark, a medium, and a light shadow. And in this case, what I wanna do is the dark shadow is just a small line that appears underneath the box itself. What that does is help grounds that element to the image overall. And then what you're going to end up seeing is when you look at other things around, it's harder to tell from the cloth. There's not as many like direct shadows as you would see like a harsh shadow from like my hand or anything along those lines. They're more indirect. So in this case, I'm going to put some other shadows to help define the cloth, which I would consider more of a medium shadow. And then you start to get into areas that are more highlighted, like the edge of the cloth, and you start to just blend it together. And again, this is all about pressure, and I'm trying to get these colors to work together because you have one material to work from. And for me, anything that makes a mark, I consider material.